Good morning, sir. Your good name?
My name is Kandeline Christopher, doctor.
Very nice to see you, sir. We need to hear your experience with our Malligai Dental Hospital. You've been with us for the last so many years. You've got so many treatment. How do you feel dental services have improved as a whole? What difference you see from those days to now?
I see the change in technology which has been implemented on each and every patient here, and there is always concern. And here there is a young and very intelligent professional team under doctor. And I'm so happy, even though I have so many other places to go. I have a very personal relationship with this clinic, and I wish I always maintain this for the rest of my career.
What is the uniqueness you see inside this in our Malligai Dental?
He is clean, it's very neat, it's professional, and it's hygienic, I would say. And one thing what I like with doctor is, he has got a lot of young people, from different strata of society, and they find a living here, and that is more, that makes me more happy. That is much more than anything else, I would say.
Okay. So how important is dental health to youngsters? Because a lot of people now they regret. What do you feel, or what piece of advice you want to give the viewers?
Advice I don't give normally, but I give my suggestions because young people now their habits are changing because they are in different jobs, and they work midnight and all. They have the habit of eating 24 hours. But if you want to eat and enjoy even a cup of coffee, you need to take care of your dental. As a whole, I would say, because otherwise you won't even have a cup of water. So that is, I would say, very important. Prime concern is to keep your dental thing clean and hygienic, so that you can enjoy everything, especially when the global cuisine is being introduced in India. You can enjoy every bit of food, I would say.
Thank you so much for your valuable feedback.
Thank you, doctor. Thank you very much.